One mistake that I see so many people make, especially beginner designers actually, is having the wrong email in a contact form. Now, if you have the wrong email in a contact form, every single person who submits a form, they're going to completely get ignored because it's going to be going to the wrong email. Now, the only way that you can go back and get around this is by going into contact. So I'm going to show you that first, and then I'm going to show you how to fix things moving forward. So on your website here, if you go into contacts and then you go in lists and segments, you're going to have something called form submitters. So if you click on this, every single form submission that has come through your website will be here. So the person's email, name, message, etc. So don't worry if you feel like you've missed about 100 contact form submissions. They will be here, which is a good fallback solution, I guess. But if you want to fix it moving forward, then you need to go into each form and change the email that it gets sent to. So if I hit website and pages, and I take a look at my pages here, I want to change, first of all, this contact form on the home page. So I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to go to the form and double click. Now in storage, you can see that we've got the wrong @email.com, which is very clever of me. I set this up nicely. So we go into here and we're going to want to put the correct email. So sam@bycrawford.com. And if we double click just to check storage, you can see it's now set up to go to me. What I would recommend in this instance is just sending a couple of test emails through there just to make sure both land in your inbox. So that is A, how to find if you've missed any, and B, how to fix it moving forward. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.